Welcome to this last section of the interactive dashboard tutorial. Now that you've built the dashboard, we're going to talk in this video about how to use the dashboard. So let's get started. Let's start with some basic Excel dashboard basics. A dashboard workbook in Excel typically has three components: one or more data worksheets, one or more calculations worksheets, and a dashboard worksheet. Analysis performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. For this project, we have a data worksheet, 4 calculations worksheets, and a dashboard worksheet in our Excel workbook. Here's a screenshot of an interactive dashboard in Excel. The dashboard is interactive because we can select the market and category and see the trend of sales revenue associated with those selections. We can also select the market and division to see the top product lines associated with those selections. A slicer is a button that can be clicked to filter a table or pivot table in Excel. It also allows you to quickly see what filter criteria are currently being used. You may have multiple slicers controlling charts and tables in the dashboard. Here there are 3 slicers. When those slicer buttons are clicked, the charts and tables change. You would be able to click on each of the slicers and observe how the related charts, tables, and other information change. Depending on the size and resolution of the screen that you are using to view a dashboard file, you may want to change the zoom level for viewing. The zoom slider is in the lower right corner of your Excel screen. You can slide it either way to increase or decrease how much of the dashboard you can see on your screen. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get the answers to by using the slicer buttons on the dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on a slicer or two. It's that easy. I hope you found this interactive dashboard tutorial useful. It is much easier to use a dashboard than it is to click through multiple sheets of data for an answer. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.